Pronoun stands for pro plus noun, or it refers to a noun, individuals or things. Hello everyone, if you're new, my name is Akshay and welcome back to English with Aki. Today in this video we are going to talk about pronoun. Now what is pronoun? Pronouns are words that we use in place of noun or other pronouns in a sentence to make it less repetitive and less awkward. For example, David found a purse. David picked it up and gave it to Kriti. Kriti threw it into a river. It sounds repetitive. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna use pronoun in place of noun. Like David found a purse. He picked it up and gave it to Kriti. She threw it into a river. Now we're gonna see some more examples of pronoun like I, you, he, she, it, they, these, those and so many. Now we are going to talk about kinds of pronoun. We have 10 kinds. So the first one is personal pronoun. A personal pronoun is a short word that we use as a simple substitute for a proper name of a person, such as I, you, he, she, it, they and many more. A personal pronoun can be in one of three persons. A first person pronoun refers to the speaker, and the second person pronoun refers to the person being spoken to, and the third person pronoun refers to the person being spoken of.
Look at this picture. I and we are the first person pronoun. You is the second person pronoun, and he, she, it are the third person pronoun.
The next is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun are words that ends with self or selves that are used when the subject and the object in a sentence are the same. For example, I believe in myself. Here, myself is a reflexive pronoun and it reflects upon a subject, and that is I. There are 9 English reflexive pronouns such as myself, yourself, himself, herself, oneself, itself, ourselves, themselves. Now the next is emphatic pronoun. An emphatic pronoun refers back to another noun or pronoun in the sentence to emphasize it. For example, she will do it herself. In this sentence, the emphatic pronoun herself emphasizes that she will do it. The waiter won't do it, her husband won't do it, her son won't do it, only she will do it. Reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun look similar, but there's a difference, and that is reflexive pronouns show that the action of the subject reflects upon the door, whereas emphatic pronoun simply emphasizes the action of the subject. Now the next is reciprocal pronoun. We use reciprocal pronoun when each of two or more subjects is acting the same way towards the other. For example, A is talking to B or B is talking to A. So we can say A and B are talking to each other. There are only two types of reciprocal pronoun, each other and one another. Now the next is demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is used to point something specific within a sentence. These pronouns can indicate items in space or time, and they can either be singular or plural.
Look at this picture. For near, we use this for singular and these for plural, and for far, we use that for singular and those for plural.
Now the next one is indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun does not refer to any specific person, things or amount. It is not definite. Some of the indefinite pronouns examples are all, another, everybody, everyone, none, some, many and many more. For example, anything is possible if you believe. Here, anything is indefinite pronoun. Another example, everybody loves to eat chocolate. Here, everybody is an indefinite pronoun. Next is interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions. There are 5 interrogative pronouns such as what, which, who, whom, whose. For example, which color do you prefer? In this sentence, which is an interrogative pronoun because it is asking a question. Another example, who was driving the car? In this sentence, who is an interrogative pronoun. Now the next is distributive pronoun. A distributive pronoun is used to describe members of a group separately. Some of the distributive pronouns are each, every, either, neither, everyone, and many more. For example, each of you is responsible for yourself. Now the next is relative pronoun. A relative pronoun is a pronoun that has an adjective clause. The relative pronouns are like that, which, who, whose, whom. For example, the man who stole your bike has been caught. In this sentence, who is a relative pronoun. Now the last one is exclamatory pronoun. A pronoun that is used as an exclamation or to express sudden emotion. For example, what? I don't believe that. So this is all about today's topic. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure that you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all new updates, and I will see you again very soon.